I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the device and preparing the TV. Plug Chromecast into an HDMI port, then connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. Make sure to avoid low-power USB ports. Once done, switch the TV input to the HDMI port you used so you see the Chromecast welcome screen. While the screen appears, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and verify it's on the same network you plan to use. This avoids pairing delays and simplifies setup. Now you'll configure Chromecast in the Google Home app. Open the app, tap the plus sign, choose Setup Device, and follow prompts to find the new Chromecast. You'll see a pairing code on the TV. Confirm that the code on your phone matches the screen. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. Make sure to grant Bluetooth and location permissions if asked, because they speed discovery. Then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password so Chromecast can stream reliably. Finish by naming the Chromecast and linking any required accounts. Accept software updates so performance is optimal. Once configured, open a Cast-enabled app, tap the Cast icon, then choose your device to test video and audio playback. If playback stutters or you can't see the device, reboot the router and unplug the Chromecast for 10 seconds before retrying. Make sure to try the 4 GHz versus 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if the device isn't discovered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.